All right, today's video is an Ask Lauren. This is the question that I got DM'd to me on Instagram. Lauren, how do you start a YouTube channel with minimal equipment? I love this question, but before we begin, if you're new here, my name is Lauren Messiah. I'm a stylist, author of the book Style Therapy, and founder of Style Boss Academy, the online business school for stylists. So YouTube, me and YouTube, we're like running through a field together and just like frolicking in the flowers. Like YouTube honestly just like changed my whole freaking life. My first YouTube videos, PS, they perform better than any of these fancy YouTube videos I do today. Do you know what they were shot on? An iPhone. What iPhone were we on then? I don't know, but it was a shitty iPhone. And it was my assistant, didn't even have a tripod. And she was just like holding the camera like this. There was no lighting. There was no nothing. And that's how we started the channel. Even to this day, now it's just easier for me to have a video crew come and help me, because then I can just be in my element and I can just crank and do my thing. I don't have to think about like pushing play or any of that stuff. But even with our beautiful videos, sometimes I'll just go live on Instagram and then I'll upload that video onto YouTube and it will get more views than like our fancy pre-planned fabulous stuff. So don't think that having a team, having fancy equipment is going to make or break the success of your YouTube or Instagram or whatever video content you want to create. So here's the minimal equipment you need: a phone. And I would advise against the the assistant holding it. Get a tripod. Go on Amazon and get a tripod. And they also have like really simple like little mics that you can use as well on your phone. Ones that just plug right into the bottom. You can also film on your webcam. Just use the camera on your laptop, or you can buy a separate one and buy a little plug-in mic and just create content. Just create. Because when you see that things are performing, that people like your videos, that they're engaging, then it might make sense to step things up later. But I'm telling you, it's totally not necessary. It's totally not necessary. F those luxuries. Get to work, boo. You got a phone? You good. So there it is. There's your answer. Hope that was helpful. I'm curious, does anyone here watching create video content? Do you have a YouTube channel? Or do you create video content on Instagram? If you do, drop your handle below so everyone watching can check out your content. I think that would be super fun. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.